Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruising with Krusty. Today I want to share just a short video of day 2 of our 2025 birthday ride. If you watched the first video, which I'll put a link to below, you know this is something my wife and I plan every year around her birthday. This year, part of the plan is to head out towards New York. Day 1 was going from Central Mass through the Catskills and out to Watkins Glen. So now we're headed out on day 2, taking off from Watkins Glen. Now Jerry Seinfeld tells this story in his, I believe it was a Netflix show, Comedians in Cars Getting Coffee. It was pretty cute. But he tells this story about being in a shop and it's a downpour of rain. And a guy on a motorcycle pulls in. And Jerry was trying to figure out if he was going to be a motorcycle guy or a car guy. He wasn't really sure. And so he goes out to this guy that's just been riding in the pouring rain. And he asked the guy, "Don't you wish you had a car? Or don't you wish you were in a car?" And the motorcyclist loved this answer. He says, "No, I just wish it wasn't raining." That's kind of what our day 2 was exactly about, and why this is a much shorter video. We knew the forecast was for rain. We came prepared for it, and it did indeed rain all day long. It wasn't really a heavy thunderstorm kind of rain, but it was enough to curtail our videoing for most of the day. We left Watkins Glen, headed north, looped around the top of Lake Seneca and headed south again through some beautiful countryside there and ended up down in Ithaca. Now along the way we had planned to stop at several waterfalls. We got some nice pictures of that we'll share with you too. There is some shots of the landscape, but again it started to rain so we didn't get a lot. So the video itself is only a couple of minutes long, I think, but I do still hope you enjoy it, and I do still hope it encourages you to get out and go see some of these places. They're absolutely gorgeous, stunning waterfalls. People on the road are just amazing. Everywhere we go, they stop and talk to us. Some of them are motorcycle people, and they're just asking questions either about the bike or how we pack and where we're going, all that sort of stuff. And other people just see 2 crazy people in the middle of the rain, in the middle of nowhere, riding on their bike, and they just can't imagine that we even do this. So again, I encourage you to just get out there and start seeing things, make plans, put the computer down, put the phone down, just put all that stuff aside and get outside. That's what we're here trying to encourage you to do. So enjoy this short video and then stay tuned. We'll have day 3 and day 4 coming up. And then even later than that, in another month or so, we'll be taking a 5 to 7 day trip up around New Brunswick. And we definitely want you to see that landscape as well. And come join us for the ride. So if you're ready, you know what to do. Do all this stuff. Jump on the bike with us and let's go.